Is Amazon out yet?
Yes, please. Yes, it is.
All right. See, here's Amazon. It's the same thing, except they already started the pivot. Now, I have no idea what the institutions got as far as the news, but here's one where I see they're trying to push it higher. And this is one where they may try to open Amazon up a little bit higher tomorrow, and then they'll sell into it on the opening. So if, let's say for a moment that this line, this vertical line I'm drawing, is the opening of tomorrow's market, you're going to see prior to the opening, which is going to be in the gray area here, they're most likely going to try to push that up before the opening. And then on the opening, they're going to do one last push, and then they're going to start selling. You'll see massive amounts of selling coming in. Now, again, this is recorded so that you can check tomorrow morning. If you're not able to join us live and you are listening to the recording right now, then you've got the more or less the diagram of how I think that's going to play out to push it lower. Another one we looked at was Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. And I said yesterday, again, they were manipulating the price to push it higher. And they did that in the after hours. But again, go back. You have to listen to the recording to really appreciate what I'm talking about here. I said they will most likely, right before the opening, try to push that one up again, which they did right around 9:15. They pushed that up, and then on the opening bell, what did they do? They sold out of all the longs that they accumulated in the after-hour session yesterday. And I said that they're going to gap it up, but it's going to close with a red candle. Take a look at what Amazon is doing right now. I mean, it's not funny for those who bought on the close yesterday. It's not funny at all. But we're almost showing here a bearish engulfing candle. Now, this is one of the mega caps